Welcome to पुरानी जीन्स से प्यार.
45 days में fit होना है यार.
Today we are going to focus on spine.
And I'm going to teach you how to make steamed vegetables with a garlic pepper sauce. So let's begin.
You are starting your practice with 30 Surya Namaskar and then twisting. So join us. Sit comfortably. Your spine tall, core in, hips firmly on the floor. Stretch your left hand and place your left palm on the right knee. Keep your spine tall as much as possible. Right arm at the back. Keep stretching at the back. You can press your fingertips on the floor, or if you are okay, you can just hold your left thigh with the right hand. Look over your right shoulder. Turn your head and relax. Next we are going to do Marichasana 1. Legs straight, your spine tall. Bend your right knee. Your right heel is close to your right hip. Keep your spine tall as much as possible. Left fingertips on the floor. Right arm up, tall as much as possible. Go forward and then wrap your right arm around your right knee. If possible, move your left hand and interlock your fingers at the back. Keep your spine tall. Look over your left shoulder. Keep breathing normally. Turn, look in front and relax. Just relax for a few seconds. Legs straight, your spine tall, core in, hips fixed on the floor, toes in, your heels out. You are stretching your hamstrings. Feel good stretch. Bend your left knee. Get your left heel close to your left hip. Keep your spine tall. Be there for some time. Your left knee is bending. Right arm goes up. Tall as possible. Rotate your body to the left side. And then bend your right elbow. Push your right elbow against your left knee. You can take support with the left fingertips on the floor and stretch your spine tall as much as possible. Stretch. Keep pressing your right leg on the floor. Look over your left shoulder. Turn your head. Slowly release the posture and relax. We performed twisting postures today. Twisting postures are very good for the health of your spine. Also, it helps you relieve back pain, any kind of back pain. It can be sciatica, slip disc or simple weakness or tiredness in your back. So try and perform each posture 2 to 3 times by holding each posture for 20 to 30 seconds.
And now let's go into the kitchen and make those steamed vegetables in garlic pepper sauce.
Welcome back to Purani Jeans Kitchen. We are back again with some healthy and delicious dishes. So what are you teaching us today, Kriti?
I'm teaching you a very important technique today, that's steaming vegetables. And because we are doing this whole healthy cooking thing, it's very important for you to learn this technique. And with it, I'm going to teach you how to make a garlic pepper sauce. So Shami, I've kept this water boiling for 5 to 7 minutes. The water is already boiling in this vessel. Over that we have a colander that's fitted on the vessel and a lid that's fitted. So basically the steam should not be escaping from anywhere, as you can see. And the water level should be at least half an inch below the colander so the water doesn't touch the vegetables. So I'm going to start by putting these vegetables into the colander. So I've washed my hands, and that's when you touch food. I've been told this several times, so I'm just mentioning it. I'm going to keep some of these vegetables. You have to make sure that you don't crowd the vegetables in the colander while steaming it, because if you crowd the vegetables, they won't cook evenly. So I'm going to put some carrot along with the broccoli and cauliflower. And here I have some green beans. I'm going to put these as well into the steamer. And last but not the least, some green peas. So green peas cook fast, so we can put a little more of these. Now you can see the steam is coming out. I'm going to increase the flame and I'm going to close the lid. And we're going to let it steam for about 5 minutes. Once the pan is hot, I'm going to start with a drop of oil. Extra virgin olive oil, preferably. In this, I'm going to add some grated potato. I'm going to keep the peel of the potato on because it has a lot of fiber and a lot of goodness. If you want, you can peel the potato.
How does potato help, like grating in this way?
This will actually bind the sauce.
Okay.
And at the same time, potato is a good source of carbohydrates, and as we know, carbohydrates are important, but in a small quantity they don't even harm us. So I'm going to, after adding this potato, I'm going to simply stir a little bit, and to this I'm going to add some milk, and I'm going to bring it to a boil. It allows the sauce to thicken, and at the same time it's giving it a lovely texture. Now to flavor the sauce, I'm going to add some black pepper, since this is a garlic pepper sauce, and I'm going to add this chopped garlic that I have over here.
And decent amount of garlic you've added.
Yeah, because it's a garlic pepper sauce. If you want to flavor the sauce with some herbs, you can do that as well. And the sauce is almost ready. We just have to wait for it to thicken. It'll just take about a minute. Now as you can see, the sauce has thickened. I'm going to turn off the heat, and while the sauce is warm, I'm going to add some salt. As you know, we've not added any salt in the vegetables, so all the salt and the flavoring comes from the sauce, which is served on top of the vegetables. Now that the sauce is done, let's check on the vegetables. Ooh, looks like they're steamed and nice. So now it's ready to serve. So the vegetables that we had steamed are already ready. Now I'm just going to pour a little bit of this garlic sauce on top, and this hot sauce will be basically served on the side. So you can just dip your vegetables into the sauce and enjoy it. You know, Shami, I absolutely love how beautiful this plate looks.
And I love the content of the plate too. You know, Kriti, people have so much of misconception that vegetarians have no choice. But as I can see, it is just not true.
I absolutely agree with you there. The food tip for the day: do include steaming methods in your daily cooking so that your vegetables are packed with nutrition.
So what next? To know that, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you. Bye-bye.